In this video, I'm gonna share with you the things I inspect every 30 days, and I have called this process my 30-day maintenance checklist. And it's just really good to check these fluids. So let's go ahead and get started. And you're gonna need a flashlight. The first thing we're gonna be checking is the inverter coolant level. And if you look right here, this is gonna be the component we're looking at. You have the black and the white contrast right there. There's gonna be a reservoir. And what I do is I shine my light, and there is a marking that says minimum and max, and we're good, we're full. The next thing we're gonna be inspecting is our brake fluid level. And down here is gonna be our minimum. Let me point at it. And then the max is actually gonna be right here. It's gonna say max, it's hard to see it, but it says it. And we are underneath the max, which is good, but we're definitely above the minimum. All right, everyone, the next inspection area is gonna be right here in your engine bay. We're gonna have to access this left panel so we can get to the coolant reservoir, the main coolant reservoir. The manual says to check it every time you get gas. As you can see, I am running low, so we need to add some coolant. So this is the stuff you want to use. It's in the manual, type 2. Everyone, I hope this video helps somebody out. Hit that like button for us. And a quick reminder, this is how we approach our cars, and this is how we also approach our clients' cars whenever they're getting a sound check guide. Make sure to check out our website. We really become the Sherlock Holmes of investigating the next car you want to buy. All right, guys.